Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.